Hi, welcome back to ACL Stance, and today I'm revisiting the Sanyo M9930K. What I want to do here is change the VU meter. Has an issue with my VU meter, the one that came with it. Put in the replacement that I've got here. It's slightly different, but does have the 0 to 100 there. So luckily we can get to the VU meter pretty easy with this one. Just need to be careful of that. Okay, let's get it desoldered. Make sure when you desolder this as well, you take note of what wire was positive and negative. And if you do take it off and you realise that you didn't check that, you can have a look on the board and you should be able to see if it's marked. And this one is actually marked here on positive and negative. So, okay, so I've got that soldered back up here. I've got the new VU meter in there. I really do need a camera that's up on the top here. Fits perfectly inside there, so I'm going to try this out. So that's hooked up and working. I'll show you that in a second, but put all this back together again. And also I'm going to show you something else here that you're probably going to see a lot of, I think, in a lot of the future episodes, these repair videos. Molotow liquid chrome pen. Now, I'm going to use this on the front of the unit, and I really want to do a separate video to show how you can touch up boom boxes, not only with the chrome pen, but also with using Tamiya paints. So what I'm going to do is put this all back together. If I switch to radio, it goes straight up to 100 there, and that's to show the battery. And if we switch it over to tape, and when we press play on the tape, you'll get the meter going at 100. Now that's how this meter works. So if, say it's only got 7 or 6 volts, you'll notice that the VU meter needle is slightly at a lower percentage, primarily there just to show the battery power, or if it's on AC power, it'll just go straight to 100, but keep that as parts. Sometimes you might have another boom box or something, and the actual printing on the back there is actually worn. So yeah, it's really nice to just hang on to these. Keep the originals. So I'm just the VU meter here. This is a cracked section here at the back on the battery panel. I didn't notice that last time, but still holds in there pretty good. I think just put a little bit of tape or something on here. It won't be going back into the battery compartment. What originally this had was a lot of scrape marks all on the top here. If you have a look at just on like top rim there, I've covered that up. What I used for that was a little bit of Tamiya's chrome silver, and I mixed that with a flat grey, shiny, sort of a metallic. Most boom boxes are like that. So if you use a flat grey to match this, it'll look really bad because there's no metallic in the paint, and you can get this pretty much almost identical in the paint. It matches perfectly with the silver paint on here. Make sure that you do get the chrome silver paint. I'll put a link in the description of the Tamiya chrome silver that I've used. The chrome isn't actually too bad, but you'll notice on the microphone, if I zoom in here and just can have a look, those bars going across here, you can notice that there's a lot of paint that's chipped off, and for a long time it's been really hard to find something to touch that up with. Get the Molotow liquid chrome pen and make sure it's a genuine Molotow. I ordered this one from France because yeah, I couldn't get it over here. It took a few weeks to get here, but this stuff is really nice, and I'm going to just zoom in again on that. So let's look at what the pen can do. You can see that's nice and chrome. I can put my hand against that and you can see the reflection. Then I would definitely look at these Molotow. Now I've got a 4mm pen here, which probably is a little bit thick. It does go on quite thick, so you have to be kind of careful. What I would suggest is having a tissue and just to remove the excess. Now, there's a lot of other chrome parts on here, but I'm not going to do those because the chrome is still pretty good on there. Yeah, yes, there is some marks on there, but nothing really stand out. Now, there's also that Sanyo badge down here, and it will stand out. I don't really want it to stand out. This was only purchased really just to go over some of those chrome parts that were wearing away. But really excellent product. I can definitely say that this stuff is the real deal. I'm going to go and do the other grills on this thing. Yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to do in this video. Just a quick install of the VU meter and this unit back to 100%. So that's it for this episode. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, and also hope that you got some valuable information in your boombox repairs. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next project.